Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open the Pine editor in TradingView and start using it. First, open any chart inside TradingView. Once you are on the chart screen, look at the bottom right corner. You will see a small Pine icon there. Click on that icon and it will open the Pine editor instantly. If you do not see the Pine icon in that area, there is another way to access it. Go to the right side panel and click on the products icon. From the list, find and select Pine editor. You can also mark it as a favorite. This will add it to your quick access panel so you can open it faster next time. Once the Pine editor is open, you can start working on your script. Click on the new button to create a blank script. You can also choose a sample script if you want to learn from an example. After writing your code, click on the Save button to save your script. Then click on Add to Chart to apply your script directly to the chart and see how it works. If you want more space to work, click on the three dots in the Pine editor panel. From there, you can open the editor in a new window or tab. This helps you manage your workspace better, especially when writing longer scripts. That is how you can open and use the Pine editor in TradingView. Thanks for watching.